Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am back from a little short vacation. Went with the family down to a friend of mine's lake house. Spent a couple of days down there. Did a couple of videos. Haven't done one today on Sunday yet because I was about 8 hours drive and just literally landed back at my house and wanted to make this update video for you. There's a few things going on with our beloved Shiba Inu. You may or may not know about them. We got a little bit of movement around Shibaswap. It's kind of a big deal. If you don't know this, you're about to find out. We've got kind of an interesting development there. Leash is making a nice little run, and I want to show you a few things on the trading view chart. So we're going to cover all that. As always, remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. And again, I want to thank you so much for your support of my channel. If you're interested, go check out my Patreon group. It's over here. You can check it out. Links are below if you're interested in that. We've got a private Discord, as well as I let you in on all of the things I'm doing with all the cryptos I'm looking at, the ones I like, the ones I don't like, give you reasons. And we've also got a very supportive Discord group where we got a lot of people collaboratively, chiming in and sharing coins they like, and it's cool. People making money. It's really, really cool. And so if that's something of interest to you, check that out below. Okay, so Shiba is pretty much doing what we expected to do right now. We're trading a little bit flat, but I think this is going to be a very interesting week. So let's get right to looking at the chart. So the chart for Shib, this is a 1 hour chart, has continued to kind of play within the specific kind of, really in that consolidation pattern that I really kind of expected it to. We've incrementally moved up just a little bit. If you kind of look at kind of that top level resistance there, and our kind of support there. Need to move that just a little bit, kind of right there. So I would say that our that's our new kind of support and resistance level, trading between 870 and 885, right? That's really kind of what I'm seeing there. Pretty tight band, waiting on catalyst. Really, that's really what we're at, right? We are just waiting to kind of see. Now, as you remember, we had kind of this run up over here, this whole big run up over here. And then I had talked about the fact that I expected it to start kind of going sideways. It did, and so we've really kind of started trending in this sideways consolidation pattern, really not doing a lot. And volume is exactly kind of what I expect it to be, down about 1.43. So it's literally kind of feels like, guys, everybody has kind of left the building. As I've said, this kind of saying that I have now, kind of applying to this. Look at this, the volume is flat. Look at this gray bar down here. It's just really not doing much of anything. And again, I've already showed you that our 24-hour trap pattern is at 846 to 894. Okay. Now, what I expect to happen from here is dependent upon any news, and I really think that's going to be Shibaswap, and I'm about to show that to you if you're not aware of this. Then I think we're going to absolutely get a move up, right? I think we're going to start to move up, and we're going to break that one, that next zero spot, right? Okay, so remember, this 8 is sitting in the millionth spot, so that's 8 millionths of a dollar, okay? And so our all-time high is when we had a 3 in this spot. That's in the 100,000 spot. That's 300,000th of a dollar, just to give you some perspective. Of course, everybody knows this is the holy grail. This is where we're trying to get to at a penny. Okay, so I think that with Shibaswap, we're absolutely going to break into this 1, keep it, get a 1 here, keep it, and possibly move to a 2. Maybe hit our all-time high. It is quite possible. The pent-up energy and the pent-up demand and the pent-up excitement and all of the things related to Shibaswap are here. So without further ado, if you go to shibatoken.com and you look and if you load this page, you'll notice that this button used to be grayed out, and this button now works. When you click on this button, this is the screen you see. We have movement, right? Not a lot. I'm not throwing the party yet. I'm not gonna, I'm not dancing around, drinking champagne or whatever metaphor you want to use. But we have positive movement, which I'll take as positive movement. I'm pausing for dramatic effect. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'm excited that this has happened. Frankly, I mean, to be honest with you, I was literally driving for the last 8 hours, and I got up this morning at 6:30 a.m. and drove all day to get here. Didn't talk to anybody, didn't look at anything. So I texted my buddy Zach Humphreys and I said, hey, what's anything going on with Shiba before I go on video? And he said, yeah, if you go to the website, the button is activated and it loads a screen. Okay, so this is it. This is the movement we have, right, guys? This is what I wanted to bring you. This is the latest and greatest. For those of you guys who are kind of waiting on me to break this proverbial news, not that there's anything really to break here. These are little, small, incremental kind of baby steps, right? This is fully in line with what I think is happening to potentially launch this week. It sure does feel like we're going to launch Shibaswap this week. Also, we could have Coinbase this week. Also, I don't know if you saw it. eToro tweeted out again that I believe I saw it. An eToro tweet, something along the lines of, "Hey, Shiba holders, we hear you, we see you." So again, eToro I think is moving forward. Haven't heard anything out of Robinhood as of yet, but again, I'm going to say this: this is a business. Coinbase wants the trading volume; they're going to pick up Shib. Robinhood wants the trading volume; they're going to pick up Shib. eToro, Webull, all of the major exchanges are coming. They are. I mean, I'm fully 100% confident in that. I'm not worried about it. I'm not losing sleep, guys. I know this is a done deal. I know it's happening. It's just a matter of when, and we'll see it. All right. Leash is making a little bit of a run in the last 7 days. You can kind of see it's kind of incrementally stepped up a little bit, but we are kind of making some gradual movements up. So we're up about 4%. Leash is, so that's of interest for those of you guys who are keeping score on that front. We'll see how that continues to play out. Obviously, most of us are paying attention to Shib. This does not really surprise me. Let's look at holders and see if we continue to average up. 57.8, 57.5. So 58, yeah, we're right at a little under 4,000 a day. So we're adding about 4,000 new holders a day, which is pretty darn cool if you really want to ask me and you want my honest opinion. That's a ton of holders. We're on 989,000, watch list. That's cool as well. I like what I'm seeing, guys, and this, frankly, is okay with me, okay? It's kind of the calm and the quiet before the storm, and I think it's going to be a wild week to watch. You guys know I've got about 200 million Shib of myself. I'm definitely not selling. I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I'm gonna enjoy watching it. I'm gonna see how it all plays out. I'm gonna be here having the conversation with you. I'm gonna be here all week, not going anywhere. I don't have any vacations this week. I don't have anything going on. I'm gonna do lives this week. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of conversation around this. And we'll see how all this plays out. I think it's going to be really, really a good week. Now, I'm hopeful that I'm not proven wrong, that Shibaswap is delayed a little bit more. Delayed's not the right word. Doesn't come out, okay? We know we have our proverbial, as far as I know, what I saw on the AMA, everything I know, you guys know what I know. We will see, you got this kind of woofing soon. I love that they're keeping the whole dog theme going, and the button is activated. The button does work. It takes you here. Okay, so that is the sum total, guys, of what I know. You know what I know right now, and we'll see. So maybe, I'm thinking about maybe adding a little bit to my position. I might throw a little bit more money at this because I think she's going to go up. That's for me, personal. But you do what's right for you. All right, guys, I'll see you later. As always, thank you for your support of my channel. Truly, sincerely, I appreciate you. Thank you, and I'll see you down the road. Bye.